Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel Code with Steve. This is our second tutorial related to Bootstrap 5, and in this course you will going to learn how to install Bootstrap in our web pages. In this playlist you will going to learn Bootstrap from 0 to advanced level. So let's start the practical. So let's open the browser. Here I am using Chrome. Choose an account in which you want to start and type getbootstrap.com. It is the official site. Here you can see the bootstrap.com. Here you can see we are on the official website of Bootstrap. As I have opened the website, you can see that here you get the definition and details about Bootstrap. Quickly design and customize responsive mobile first site with Bootstrap. As I have told you in the first tutorial, this is the definition of Bootstrap. As you scroll down, you can see the latest version of the Bootstrap. Here it is currently version 5.1.3. When I am making this video, it is currently 5.1.3. It might happen in future that it is upgraded. And just above this button, you can see the download button. By clicking on this, you can download the current version of the Bootstrap CSS. And if you wish to download the oldest version, here you can see on the top navigation bar, here it is a drop down button. By clicking on this, older version is appear. You will able to see that version. It is version 4.6, 3.4.1, version 2.3.2. you can see the latest version is 5.1, which we are going to use in this series. If you wish to download the version 4 or 3, you can download it from here by clicking on this. If we talk about version 5 and 4, they have added the flexbox in it. Because of this, it can't support the Internet Explorer 9 and older. And in this video, we will going to use Bootstrap 5. So what I will do here, click on the download button. You can see that new pages appear. Here I will show you whenever we redirect to download, we get 3 types of download, as you can see on my screen: compiled CSS and JS, source file, and CDN via JS deliver. First is compiled CSS and JS. Here you can download it from here also by clicking on this download button. After that, it is source file. You can download it from here also. The difference between source and compiled JSS is that those who know SAS CSS, they can download this file. After that, we have third option. With this, we can implement the Bootstrap file in our web pages. It is called CDN via JS deliver. This is called Bootstrap CDN. Here you don't need to download anything, just you are provided with 2 links, as you can see here. First is this and second is this, one for the CSS and one for the JS link. You can also use this in our web pages. So first of all, I will teach you the Bootstrap CDN and how to use it. Here have 2 types of file, one for CSS and other for JS file. Currently we don't require of JS file, so I will copy the above link tag. Let me copy this CSS link. So after copying, go to the editor which you are using for your code. So I have opened this Visual Studio Code. So create new file. Here I have already created Bootstrap 5 with the file name Bootstrap 5. After creating, I will implement this link. Here I have opened my editor, that is Visual Studio Code. In the first tutorial I had told you for the entire series I will going to use Visual Studio, and if you don't know, here in the description box I have provided the link how to download Visual Studio. Let's come to the topic. Here you can see I have created one folder Bootstrap 5, and in this one code inside this Bootstrap file we have with another file name code with Steve. Open this. We have inside this another file name with CSS. Here you can see it is fully blank. Before this, let's create one file. For that, click on this button and name it as steve1.html. Now enter. You can give any name to the file. So here first I will write the basic code just by pressing the exclamation mark and hit the enter. You will get the basic code. This is the advantages of Visual Studio. Let me change the title from document to Bootstrap 5. Now here after the title tag, inside the head tag, the link I had copied just now from the website, paste here. It can't copy. Let me copy again. Here is the link. You can see that. This is the path of CDN. This is called the path of CDN. The advantage of this is that there is no need to attach external file. All the Bootstrap CSS is included in this link. Only you have to remember one thing. Whenever you are using CDN path, make sure your device is connected with internet. Because whenever you refresh the page at the web browser, that time this path will call from this server, and if you are not connected to the internet, the file will not going to open. After this, let's check whether this file is successfully attached or not. For that, in the body tag, add anchor tag in that with a. We're going to see in detail. First name the class. With card. This is the Bootstrap component. We will going to see in detail the class in upcoming video. Just for the testing purpose I am doing this. I am here written with the class name card, and card also has color, so I am writing card primary. That means card will going to be blue color. Now in this anchor tag I am writing code with Steve. Now save this file and open in web browser. So I am opening with live server. Sorry, let's write inside the div tag. Div tag, and name inside this div tag with class card, and inside this div tag create another div tag and name this class as card body and write the content code with Steve, and inside this I am creating one button and giving this class btn primary. That means our button will going to be blue color. Now save this file and open in browser. Yes, write some content for the button. Go. Now save this file. Here you can see that means our Bootstrap class is successfully implemented. After this I will show you the second type if you want to implement without CDN path. So I will show you. Let's scroll to the top. You can see the compiled CSS and JS. Under this you can see the download button. After clicking on this, it will return us two type of file, one for CSS and other for JS. Now let's click. It's asking for location, so we have folder name with Bootstrap 5. Here it is. Inside this we have code with Steve, and inside this we have one CSS file. Now open this, and in that CSS file now download here. See, it is downloading. Now let's open the folder where we have downloaded this zip folder. Here it is. Let me zoom in. Yeah, you can see now. You can see steve1.html that we have created in our editor. Now extract this file and extract here. Here you can see my file is extracted. Now open this file. Here basically you get two types of folder. One for CSS and other for JS. Now open the CSS file. If you want to use full Bootstrap, you can use this file or the minified version of this. Basically both of these are same. Only the difference is that in the minified version the extra space is removed, and this is the RTL file, and this is the minified version of this RTL file, and this is the grid file. These all are the customized feature of the Bootstrap. If you don't want to use the full feature, so you can customize this. This is the advantages of Bootstrap CSS framework. So in this series I am going to use full version, so let me copy this file. Let me show you the JS folder also. As I have opened the folder, basically you can see that four type of JS file is there. 1 2 3 4 5 6, sorry, 6 type. If you want to use the full version of Bootstrap JS file, so for that also you have different file. This is the full bundle of JS file. In the upcoming videos I will tell you in detail what's all there in Bootstrap JS file. JS means JavaScript bundle. So for now we are only working on CSS. So back to the CSS file. This is our CSS folder, so paste it here. Yes, you can see This is the main bootstrap.css file. Now let's implement this in our web pages. Now back to the code editor steven.html that I have created before. First remove this CDN path. So I am deleting this and write link tag link and here href attribute. Inside this write the path of the bootstrap.css file. So here I have to add the path. If you don't want to write the path, so you can directly see here it comes that I have pasted in my file. So right click on that and copy relative path and paste it here. Here it comes. So here what we have done is that whatever the file we have downloaded for CSS I am implementing here. Now after saving the file, let's see whether this card class is working or not. So I am saving. Let me refresh this website. See, it is working. Hover effect is there. That means we have successfully implemented this file. So in this tutorial that's all is there. So what you have learned in this tutorial is that how to implement Bootstrap file in our web pages. So in this full series we will going to use this main CSS file bootstrap.css that I have copied here. So in the next video we will going to see how to create layout with the help of Bootstrap file. Thank you for watching our video and let me know in the comment section on which topic you want details video. And if you understood this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel and never miss an update. Thank you.